Hello, hello. Imagine actually starting a stream. On the 2nd, it turned 5 p.m. Um, Cider, this is part of the stream schedule now. There's now 2 a week. One of them, the Thursday at 2 p.m., which may have to be moved to 2:30 or 3. I don't know. We'll have to see. It kind of depends. Because I've got something at 1:30 on Thursdays now. Theoretically, it should be done on time. But, yeah, that may be pushed back by like an hour or so. And then there's now. So, yeah, I understand it's going to be late for some people, but it's going to allow some other people to be able to actually watch them. Predominantly those in America, because it would be, what, 11 a.m? That's not great, but it's better than what would be like really, really early hours. So welcome to the stream, Cider, Auroras, Darkamil, Book, Psychione. Is that how you pronounce that? I do apologise if it's not. Psychione on YouTube as well. And I think that's everyone right now. And Tyrone as well. What does image manipulation pillow do? Basically, it's essentially like if you were to go into Photoshop or GIMP and start editing images. Obviously, like with pillow, it's you're not going to be able to do quite as much, but it's that sort of idea. You finished school, nice. Yeah, Tuesdays will probably be the day for you then. There's a sleep right beside me. That's a bigger. Can you just wear headphones? Or is that not really a thing? Right. Okay. What's that? So, if I go to the tutorial stream, I'll get it right eventually. Still no webcam. Haven't really tried to fix that issue yet. Hopefully it'll be fixed by next Tuesday. I very much doubt it's going to be fixed by Thursday's stream, but we'll see. Yeah, today we're kind of just going to keep going through this plan and actually plan the series. Speaking of volumes and stuff, is the mic volume okay, or is it a bit quieter than usual? Because I think it's like 1 notch quieter, but I don't know if it's like a good amount or not. If it's a good amount, I'll leave it as it is. But sounds like you need to put it on max volume. Yeah, go for it. So we were here in the plan. We were here at the point where we need to add and remove columns from a pandas data frame. So we are gonna do that. 5 add remove cols dot ipynb. That's not an ipynb. What did I say that is? I think I saved it as a prime or something. What was it? A py-ymb. Nice. Is it? Oh, it is gonna load as a notebook. That's convenient. I was kind of worried it wasn't going to for a second. So it's been a while since I did this, so we need to do this again. And then we need to do, having a freak out literally every time. We need to load in our data again. I don't know. ipynb, yeah. Or ipynb, as I quite like calling it. No, if you wanted to be super technical, you call it an IPython notebook. Because that's what it stands for. Because we ain't working in C Python, lads. We're working in IPython. Oh, actually, this is like a proper... I'm actually going to rename these files to look like the pillow ones. Because having like spaces in file names really isn't a good idea. Actually, speaking of which, I think I need to push some extra stuff to the pillar repo, actually, don't I? I might do that real quick before we get started here. Because I think, episode 3 has come out? I think I've pushed up to like episode 1. So I might need to do that real quick. Give me 1 second while I figure that out. Actually, you can go over there. I need a new tab. Give me a new tab, please. Thank you. So cd data / program / github / Carberra / pillow tutorial. Yeah, that's the one. Get in a virtual environment. And we'll load it in VS Code because I haven't properly set up the Git on this yet, and the VS Code is the only one with like authentication. So where are we? Yeah, I need to. So episode 3 came out yesterday, didn't it? So I need to push up to you. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Goddamn Control C being something different. So git. Whoa, hello. Okay, that was weird. Git push and then. Oh no, I need the entire commit hash. Oh no, I don't. No, I don't. Origin and then I think it's main. Oh, I forget which way I go. I think it's this. It was that. Okay, fair enough. I need to git push tags EP-2, EP-3 as well. Oh, I need to git push origin. Probably, yeah. Okay, it did them all. Oh, for God's sake. Why did it do every single one of them? That's not what I wanted to do at all. Whatever. It's fine. It's not like the 2 episodes that haven't gone out yet are doing anything that complicated, I'm not going to lie. Because I think what's coming next is the drawing text, which is actually really simple. And then it's the filters stuff, which no one's really going to use anyway. So, whatever. I'll leave that as it is. So have there, yeah, got... Yeah, so EP3 is on the origin main, that's whatever. It's fine. Actually, I could probably push EP4 because that's come out on Patreon, hasn't it? Yeah, why not? Git push. I need the commit hash for EP4 now. Oh, I'm so good at this. So git push. Oh, that's not gonna like it unless I do an origin there. Cool. There's only one left. Yeah, I hit 100 followers the other day, I think. Which is pretty sweet. Not gonna lie. So we can get rid of that one now. Go away. Okay, cool. And then oh no, actually please come back. Although it's a different directory to be fair. VA and then launch into VS Code. Then we can get back to what we were doing. So, no, go away. Oh no, I literally just did this survey, like a few weeks ago. The kernel died. Awesome. I just love how it said the kernel died. Oh, maybe because it tried to load like 18 things at once. That probably wouldn't be great. Wait, did the kernel die again? Is it just done for? Hang on, stop the kernel. Restart the kernel. And then... Oh, I have no idea what's happening here. I'm going to need... Why? What are you doing? Okay, it's fine. It's all fine. Everything's going really well so far. Everything's going about as well as normal. Kernel do. The Ipython kernel basically just runs stuff in the background. You don't really need to worry about it. Just if it's turned on, then that's a good thing. If it's not turned on, then it's not. Essentially. I don't know which dataset to use. I have all of these. I feel like we could just have like a really tiny one. I might quickly go and get a really tiny one. I was really scared that all my analytics stuff was in here. So if we want to get, I don't know, we'll get views, likes, and comments between. Well, we'll get them in 2020. We'll say. So dt.date 2020 1231. That's how you do that. And then I have no idea if Analytics is even still installed on this. You always have issues with the stream side, I swear to God. 1.1. And then we're gonna have a carb minimal. And then everything looks as though it should be fine. So I guess we'll see if it's installed. So Python get analytics.py. It is installed, nice. I'm not bad at what I do. I have my own library installed on my computer. Yes, that's me. Yes, that's the number I want. I want this one. Yes, I'm fully aware I made it, so I'm not going to dock my own channel or whatever. Okay, close the window, and then cool. We have our report now. Awesome. So, get rid of that. We go back into here. No, we don't. We go back into this one. And then we do carb minimal. And then we run all the cells we have so far. That's because you have YouTube open. Oh, hello. Oh, it's a CSV. Why does it say XLSX? That's strange. I think I remember why now. But okay, so we have this really minimal thing with only 3 columns. Say, for example, we wanted to add, say, like a 4th column, which was I don't know what's a good example for a 4th column. Actually, you know what I need to do first? Actually, I need to. Oh my God. Okay. Actually, the loading data, we actually need to do something else in here, don't we? Because we need to go in here. This is freaking out real bad. And we need to do this. We need to convert our data into a date time. Otherwise it will break. Oh. Oh. There we go. And we need to do the same thing here. God, you gotta love when everything just starts freaking the hell out, don't you? Oh, it's so good. It's really good when that happens. Okay. So now we have that. So we can probably do the month or the day, say. Maybe not. I don't know. Actually, you know what we can actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the likes and the dislikes, and I'm gonna get like a net likes column out of it. Is what I'm gonna do. Yes, I want to save the data. Yes, I want to save that, and we're gonna go back into get analytics, and we're also gonna get dislikes, and we're not gonna bother with comments. And we're going to run this. We're going to run through the auth flow again. It's kind of unfortunate, but oh well. Allow It's the other way around, dark mail. Okay. So now our card minimal has only likes and dislikes. Oh yeah, I want the XL previewer, don't I? I want a CSV preview. Rainbow CSV is a good one to get. And, I don't know which one. Is it CSV to table? No, it's not that one. There was this, oh god, I've had to like reinstall VS Code since last time I used it. It's kind of unfortunate. I don't think this is what I want either. Which one is it? CSV preview. Oh, is it like an XL thing? I have no idea. Yeah, it might have been XL viewer. Come on, you can show this off a bit quicker. Yeah, it was this one. Okay. Cool beans, cool beans. So if you load this back up, we have our rainbow. And we also have our, that's the wrong button. We also have a table here. So as you can see, we have views, likes, dislikes. As time goes on, obviously that gets quite a lot of likes. So we've got this one is 63 likes in a single day. That's nuts. Yeah, there's nothing like fictional money, especially when you can gamble it all away. But yeah, anyway. Okay. So we have our table now. And I believe we could just do this. Likes plus DF dislikes. And that will kind of work maybe? I think. Bound method. Oh, right. Yeah, it is actually, it's genuinely that simple. I just want to make sure. Oh, I've also done it wrong. That needs to be like that. Yeah, so it really is that simple. So you could just do like this. Or you can insert one. So if you want to do, I think it's df.insert. What I'm going to do is df.head so I don't mess it up. If you want to put one, say, in the second position, or the third position, so between views and likes, then we can do, I don't know, views, I think it's just that, views per like, and then I don't remember how the insert syntax works. Oh, the value, so it does work how I thought it did, okay. And you've got df views divided by, it'd be df likes, wouldn't it? Infinite, oh yeah. I kind of didn't really consider that. Oh, what the hell? Oh, because it's trying to insert it again. There you go. Yeah, that'll do for an explanation, I think. How many views did you get in 2020 across the entire year? I could probably quickly do the maths for you. Just does, yeah. So it'd be some 221,723. I got in 2020 across the board. I don't need that in the thing. So that's actually that done pretty much. Because that went in the right column and everything. So why am I doing that? Oh, because I need to go to Nano, that's why. Yeah, it was quite a lot. It was a lot more than I got in 2019, tell you that much. So that is now planned. Nice. Control, is it control? Control O is right out. Sorting and summarizing. the data. Oh, I know what I wanted to do there. I was like, huh? Summarizing. So actually do, I guess like summarizing. I did a .py. I don't want to do that. I might do IPyNB. So this is going to be very much the same sort of system as the as the pillow one, where every episode is just a separate script. Pretty much. Oh, do we want the carb? We probably don't want the carb minimal, do we? We'll get the carb 2020, like the full hog in there. And then to get the summary, all we need to do is do df.describe, which is something I actually learned very recently. And it will give you the number of rows. It will give you the mean of all of them. It will give you the standard deviation of all of them. It will give you the minimum, the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, the 75th percentile, and the max value. So as you can see, the highest number of views I got in any one day in 2020 was 1,572. And the least number of views I got in any one day was 7. That would have been right near the start, before the channel actually started taking off. Because it started taking off more in March. I love just all these zeros across here. And yeah, so it's actually quite a cool little thing you can do. And then you can export that into a CSV, I believe, as well. And then you could just like have a look at all this stuff. The df.describe is actually really nice to have. I don't know if there's any... Let me have a look if there's any... I can move this over. I'm going to put that in now, otherwise it's going to... I want to see if there's anything extra you can do with it. Okay. Percentiles, none, include none, exclude none. Date time is numeric, false. That's kind of the only option. And treat date time details as numeric. This affects statistics calculated for the column. For datetime input, this also controls whether datetime columns are included by default. Yeah, we don't want that then, do we? Includes all. Yeah, so we can actually include as many percentiles as we want. That's kind of cool. Whitelist of all the data types. All the data types? Oh, yeah. Of D types or none. Oh, so you can do like only numerical ones. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, my phone's not silent. Thank you, Dark Emil, for following me on Twitter. Speaking of which, has anyone followed the stream that I've missed? No. Okay. See, I don't think there's any... Yeah, there's count... Oh, they all have like a different things. That's kind of cool. Different.min. Scribe. df.numeric.describe. Oh, okay. You can describe a specific column as well. Can you? Let me actually have a look and see. Df say views dot describe. Actually, we'll get the CPM. Oops, it's the CPM, not CMP. Oh yeah, you can just do that. That's kind of cool. I love how the min, the 25th, the 50th, and 75th percentiles are all 0. Because I wasn't getting paid for most of 2020. That's kind of funny, actually. Sorry, just having a drink. So yeah, that's the describe. Then there's the sorts that we need to do. I believe we have a... Oh, what the hell? Why is that in a separate window? Okay, I don't know why that is. I'll just move that over here, I suppose. No, I don't want that open here. Sorry, it's going mental. I don't know what to have on this screen actually. I guess we'll OBS for now. df.sort 0.19.12. Oh my, that's a bit old, isn't it? Do these not exist anymore? Hello? 0.18.1. Oh, it's sort values. I guess that makes sense. Which is why I turn my heater on. Getting cold in here. Yeah, so we have all this to work with. To buy... Oh yeah, sort by. So the list of names to sort by. So we can sort our data frame by the views. So df.sort. I don't know if it does it do it in place. Okay, it doesn't do it in place, so we can just do this. Contacting my phone to charge. I forgot to turn the switch on. Oof. That is one quite sizable F there, my dude. So we want to sort by views. We'll say. Axis 0. If axis is 1 or columns. Oh, you can sort the columns as well. Axis to be sorted. You know, we want to sort it on 0. Ascending. We want ascending to be false in this instance. In place, we want to keep the same. Kind, quick sort, merge sort, or heap sort. I'm just going to keep it a quick sort. NA position. Puts all the nans at the beginning if first. Puts all the nans at the end if last. We want that the same. I'll just actually put this up here so you can see what I'm looking at. So I went through like the ascending, the in place, the kind. So you have a choice of sorting algorithm. Merge sort is the only stable algorithm. Okay, interesting. Any position, yeah, putting all the nans at the end, that's what we want. Ignore index. Oh, I see. We'll have that false for now, but that could be really useful to have. And the key value, the function is similar to key value built and sorted, with the notable difference that this key function should be vectorized. It should expect a series and return a series with the same shape as the input. It'll be applied to each column in by independently. Huh, that's strange. I think I understand how that's going to work. Oh, just a minute ago, oh my god. GG, IFTTT. Good service you provide. What was the other option? We must change one of these, didn't we? Oh no, I don't think we did actually. Okay, so I think it's fine as is. Whoops, that's not gone well. Has no attribute sort. Because it's sort values. There we go. Because you can see, was the 1st of November 2020. November was a really good month. Like around here, I was doing really well. Like all these are in November and October, all the highest values. And then all the lowest, of course, are in January and stuff. Yeah, 1572, 1552, 1546, 1570, 1516. These are all really close. Actually, I'm kind of surprised at that. I do wonder if you could sort by more than one column. Yeah, or a list of string. You can. So we'll sort by likes, say. We'll see if... Okay, that didn't really work. No, we'll sort by dislikes. Because I think... Oh yeah, 4 and then 4. So this is kind of, I guess this is being sorted by views, potentially. Okay, so if we were sorted by... Yeah, so if we were sorted by views... views, then it'd be the same. But if you sorted by shares, then those two be swapped around. Because these two have the same number of dislikes, but also this one has more shares. So if you use the most comments... well, the live streams. if you're doing live streams, all the live chat, every single message in your chat counts as a separate comment. So the comments thing is just useless. There's basically no point in ever grabbing that information because it's just completely broken if you stream on YouTube, which is kind of unfortunate. We're gonna do. I guess we'll leave it at that. No, we'll comment that out and then we'll have the other version as well. Because I want to like remember how I sending equals false. Yeah, and then we'll have that out there, I suppose. So that's sorting and summarizing. Yeah, that's pretty much that. There's nothing else to really go through there. Filtering. This is a fun one. 7. Filtering data. IPyNB or IPIMB. IPUMB. The sequel to Lion King, made by Apple. Right, okay. So that loads those two in fine. Tablet, don't die on me, please. I need you for the chat. Yes, save that. And yes, save that. So filtering data. Oh, no, that's not what I do at all. Filtering data is actually quite simple. So df equals df, and then if df say views. So say we want to get all the rows where the views are greater than 1,000 or greater than equal to 1,000. So we can do that. And then, we need to do, actually, because it's a notebook, we don't need to do this. Oh yeah, we do, because we want to do really df.head. See, there are 36 columns. Welcome, Scanlex, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. If we just print df, actually, we'll see that let's just sort values, views. We'll see that all of the days that are still in the data frame have, I don't know what that was, have at least 1,000 views, which is nice. So yeah, filtering data. I'm not even sure filtering data is going to need a separate video because it's really, really easy to do. Is restream off? The restream bot is really broken, so it might be. Let me just double check. Oh. Yeah, it's missing people. Oh no, it's not missing people. I just completely missed Lucky Clouds on my own. Welcome to the stream. I didn't see that. I thought it was to separate you two. No, it looks fine to me. Also, I just remembered. In this stream, like a few days ago, I remembered about VIPs and how that was a thing. So in this stream, I'm gonna grant some people VIP on Twitch. You can't ask for it. I won't give it to you if you ask for it, but I will give it to the most common people here. So that'll be it's / in it, yeah. And then is it that? I just want to make sure I get the right channel. Yeah. So you can be VIP. And then gotta get the actual username perfect. You can be VIP. And then there's an underscore at the end. Yeah, you can be VIP. Okay. Those are the only 3 I'm gonna give it to out of everyone here at the moment. But yeah, I'm live on Twitch as well, Lucky Clouds. Actually, a link isn't in the description, is it? Because I haven't I haven't sorted that out properly. I haven't changed the descriptions. It's twitch.carberra.xyz if you want Twitch. Okay, well here's the big question. Do we really need... Alright. Actually, we can filter by columns, can't we? So if we... Okay. If we do this... so df... And then... so we want the likes and dislikes. Actually, we'll do this in a separate thing. And then we'll get rid of this. So say we want the likes and dislikes for... Turn on my video there, goodness. For df, where df views is greater than or equal to 1,000. And that should work, I think. Right? No. Boolean array expected for the condition, not int 64. I don't know if you could do this on one line. Thanks for following, Lucky Clouds. Yeah, we've still got the own 3D bot in here. Nice. I have no idea how long they're gonna just randomly keep this, keep giving me this for free, but I hope it's forever. I hope they're just like, screw it, just put it on everyone's channels because it's really goddamn useful. Yeah, that bot just appeared like last stream, just out of nowhere. It's really very helpful because it means I don't have to look at this. I have this activity feed on my other screen, like this. It means I don't have to constantly look at that. Well, I suppose I could just keep that up while I'm not using the other screen. The font do I use? I use the JetBrains Mono, specifically the Nerd font, or the regular version of the Nerd font. Welcome, by the way, Sky Deska, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, this is the JetBrains font, specifically the Nerd one, so it can be used in, well, yeah, so it can be used in Powerline and stuff. Because I like this font. Nerd. Yeah, I'm a nerd. So there's no point in me even trying to dispute such a claim. Oh, how are we gonna get this to work? Would it be df and then df like this? Hang on, I'm gonna get rid of this for a second. Right, so this is, if I remember correctly, this is how you like specify columns. Yeah. So we need this data frame here, and I want to try and do this on one line if I can. Twitch has I didn't even know Twitch had a light theme. I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. Oh no, yeah, I did know it had a light theme. I just don't use it. Yeah, there is a dark theme. I'm almost positive. There must be a dark theme. Likes, dislikes. So yeah, this gives us a data frame. Actually, if I do this, can I then do, say, like likes or something? Oh, I can. So maybe that's the way to do it. Oh my god, this is already carnage. Yeah, there's a light mode on Twitch. I think it's off by default nowadays. Because you know no one uses light mode for anything anymore. But okay, well, I'm gonna do this on multiple lines for now, and then I'll do, otherwise it's gonna look like a car crash. So we get oh. Oh right, yeah, because I'm sort of being dumb. Oh, you know, I need it to actually like specify these. So we'll just run with that. There we go. I need to like separate this off so they're not the same thing. And then this will be df2.head as well. We need to see it. We need to see it. Yeah. It's so much better on your eyes as well. I hate bright screens. Like my screen brightnesses are always like super low, even when they're on dot mode. I don't understand people that like bright screens or like can't see when the screen's too dark. It's like, dude, save your eyes, please. But anyway, so df3. So if you wanted to sort this or filter this by columns that had let's see. I don't even know what columns there are. Let me have a look at the columns. df.d types. I'm just trying to think of what would be like a good like multi one to do. So shares. So let's see. So, well, we could actually just filter by CPM itself. So if you had our, okay. So I'm just gonna filter by the CPM for now. Oh. Oh, it'd be this one, wouldn't it? Oh, have I messed up again? Oh my goodness, okay. Yeah, we want the standard DF. We want them all. Oh, what the hell is going on? None of... Oh, in the columns. That's weird. CPM. It has a column for this. That's 64 to every data type. This is just saying it's a 64-bit number. So you can get float 32s and int 32s, which are 32-bit numbers. Yeah, because Pandas works in C, it uses different data types. So yeah, it doesn't use Python data types. Maybe I should probably explain that in the tutorial. Actually, if we do the loading data, we could do... I want this one loaded. Well, that's not good. You're not loading it. You're refusing. Why are you refusing me? Okay, I'm gonna shut VS Code down and see if relaunching that fixes that. Code. I kind of want to be able to look at my file. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on. Wow, this is like, what the hell is happening here? Well, that was like just awful. Okay, well, I'm gonna just shut that down again and reload it. And I hope it doesn't load literally every single one. It did. Awesome. Alright, I guess we just gotta wait then. My computer is going nuts. It really didn't like that. Yes. This is it a lot louder. I've put the microphone right up to it. That is how much it didn't like that. It's not liking what is currently going on. I don't think it's even like trying. The kernel died. Yeah, okay, that's understandable. I don't know why it like insists on loading them all. I don't really understand why that happens. Okay, I'm gonna stop the kernel. Well, this one's actually loaded. This one's loaded. This one isn't even started. So I'm just gonna shut that one down. Yeah, it's not gonna be fun. There might be more on YouTube. There's a chance, because people don't really know that I stream at this time now, because this is the first time I've done it. There's a chance that just no one's really here. So, yeah. We'll see. Oh my goodness, what is going on? It's just not loading any of them. I don't think any of them are unsaved data. It just doesn't want to... It's just broken. I think entirely. Oh, there we go. Okay, one of them was cancelled, interestingly. Yes. Okay. So I think we're fine. If I go to manage the extension, does that cancel it? It literally did just take that long. Didn't work. Which bot? Because I'm using KitRabbit and that won't work this time. So okay, I don't know what kernel it's still trying to connect to. I kind of want it to stop. Well, I guess we'll just leave it going. So having all I wanted to do was like do df d types in here. Oh, for God's sake. And just have that showing and then talk about it. This one doesn't have any strings, so it doesn't have any object ones, but that's fine. Okay, so you need to save. There we go, that's saved. Now we load back up filtering data, which is the one we were using before. Let's restart your phone, goodness. And then run all of them. This is apparently going to take forever. Oh, God. Oh, the kernel never started. How do I start it? Yeah, that one. Yeah, default. How do I make you start? Oh, God's sake. That's kind of the one thing with Jupyter, it doesn't bloody work. That's it. Oh, no, that one's not loading. 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 Now, none of them are loading. Okay. Got to restart it again. I might need to like reinstall the kernel, honestly, because it might be a bit broken. Thankfully, that's not actually that hard. Yeah, it just loads them all the time. And it just crashes them all. So this one actually loaded this time. This one didn't bother. This one did bother. This one didn't. It's like not even saving any of the changes either. I'm going to turn autosave on and try and like load this. Okay, so that's connected. Welcome Amira to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I'm 22. Yeah, that one's just straight not loading at all now. This one's not loading. This one's not. They're just none of them are loading. Okay. Okay. Dashly, so I need the dot, yeah. rm -rm.venv. Directory not empty. Are you quite sure about that? Oh, God. I think the whole virtual environment is just completely gone. That's kind of unfortunate. Okay, I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna try again. I just can't remove these directories. No! Why are you so bad? if you go in here, there's lib, there's Python 3.8, site packages, and then all of these just don't want to. I guess like there's something really, really wrong with the kernel. Move to the rubbish bin. Delete. Well, we've broken it, lads. We've genuinely completely shattered it. No, you can't. If you can't delete it from the terminal, I just thought I'd see. Oh, it's trying to do something. Deleted 108 files. Now what's it trying to do? Okay, yeah, we've like, oh. Did Nautilus actually do what the terminal couldn't? No, it's still there. la.venv. Oh, for God's sake. la.venv. Lib, yeah. Yeah, so Nautilus just died. This is what happened there. rm slash. Okay, did it delete literally anything at all? No. Okay. We're going to have to move to a new folder. Lads. That's unfortunate. It wouldn't be much of a problem, but I can't restart my computer right now because I'm streaming. Funnily enough. So what we're gonna do? There's so many folders in here that I kind of don't want to be here anymore. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make a directory called data analysis. A new one. We're gonna cd. We're going to LA data viz. And then we're going to CP /data viz / everything dot ipynb, and then move that to data analysis. And I hope that works. Data analysis. I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. Yeah. So that's all our ipynb files. Now we need to get an outtext.py. I think we need our data. Yeah, I'm just going to do this in Nautilus. It's easier. So our data. So data viz. Do we need you? Yes, we do need you. So you're coming with me, and we're going in there. Do we need anything else? We need you, and we need you. We don't need you. You're coming with me, and you're going in here. Okay. So Python 3-m-venv.venv. Oh, no. We want to actually go into there first. Python 3-m-venv.venv. I want a VA. And then we want to do pip. I'll just make sure you're using the right pip. Yep. Pip install. See what we need. So we need Seaborn. We need Pandas. We need numpy/matplotlib dependencies that are installed automatically for us. We need analytics. There's no point in getting MyPy. Is that everything we needed? I think it might be. No, I'm doing 2 tutorial streams a week, including the gaming channel. I'm doing 3 a week. Technically, I think that's all we need. I don't think we need anything else. We'll have to see. Wow, I didn't even cache any of it. Jesus. Look at all those dependencies. Analytics has so many dependencies, it's unreal. It's because it uses the Google API, and the Google API you need like 20,000 things. And look at all this! Analytics 0.1, Cache Tool certified, Chardet, and then we've got, the Google API core, Python client, the auth HTTP lib, the OAuth, the Google APIs. There's 6! There's 6 Google ones it installs. It's nuts! Well, Pandas uses 120.1. That's interesting. This one, I'm pointing to the screen so you can see it. This one here, this one's my one. It's on the Python package index. Still really proud that I got one on the Python package index. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into here, and then this is going to prompt us to install we want the workspace here, and it's going to prompt us to install the Ipython kernel, which we do here. It does it inside the virtual environment, thankfully. Yeah, it's absolutely nuts. I don't even think it's like actually possible to install it through the thing. What command does it actually run? It runs this. Yeah, it runs Python, and it runs run isolated. Oh yeah, it runs like a separate script for it. Yeah, it runs a very separate script. This is not nuts. If you do pip install -u ipy kernel, that won't actually work, which is kind of funny. I don't think anyway. I think I tried it, it didn't work. Goggle, yeah. So I'm just gonna make sure that all the data is still here. So that's number 3 there. I'm gonna close a data thing before I load the next one. Well, I did literally nothing. Well, nothing out of number 3 saved. So we need this. For some reason, number 4 just never saved at all. I don't know why. But that's saved now. Number 5. Whoa. Okay. What was that? I don't really have a practical reason to do any other languages right now. Okay, number 6. Yeah, number 6 is all here. That's all we just did. Yeah, so everything appears to be fine. Then number 7. And then we have our data directory here that we can have. Well, actually, I said I don't have a practical reason to do other languages. My dissertation is in Python. Well, a lot of the modules this year have been Python. It's kind of weird. Like we did, what was it? It was all like C# and C++ in years 1 and 2. And now in year 3 we're doing Python, which is really strange. Apart from parallel processing, which is going to use C++, because of course it does. And big data, which use MATLAB. I've never done anything in Lua, but it doesn't look too odd. If you know Python, you basically know Lua more or less, as far as I can tell. Alright, Night Soda. Thanks for stopping by. So yeah, so we still got this damn error. The df3, okay. So if I get rid of this, then df is not defined. Oh, I need to run the actual thing, don't I? Yeah, there we go. So we don't even have a day. And then if you have print df.head, it should still print out the standard one, yeah. So df is loaded in the memory. So we now have our df, and then we want to take our... Oh, yeah, we do actually need the CPM though, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh no. It is just done for. Doesn't like it. Oh. That was the whole thing. That was all it was complaining about. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Yeah, homework. Yeah, that would probably be useful. If we do that, and then I think we can do df views is greater than 1,000. And that, oh no. Oh. Oh. Wait, that's a thing? I didn't realise that was in anything but idle. Okay, fair enough. Just use control and square brackets to kind of move lines around. That's kind of useful. I have to keep that in mind. Oh yeah, this needs to be in a thing of its own, doesn't it? Oh, I didn't like that. Oh, I did like that. No, I didn't like that. It's an invalid key. Type ball. Okay. Oh, because it probably needs it in here. No. Item wrong length 2 instead of 366. Okay, how do you filter by multiple columns? Sam! Hi! It's good to see you, my dude. How you doing? I am always here. I'm inevitable. Pretty much. What is it? DF filter by multiple columns. So I can't figure it out. How have you been? It's been a little while since we chatted, actually. I think last time I was on that was on Discord when I couldn't sleep. It's a good. So how do we, yeah. Oh, it's the lock. Oh, what's the lock? Oh, it's the and? It uses that operator? Okay. Okay. This man using the Fox browser. Exactly. What else could you possibly expect from me? Unsupported list and list. Okay, never mind. Doesn't like that at all. Actually, does it? Oh, what if I take this away? Oh no, it does need this, but it's like that. Oops, I did that wrong. D, so it needs that one and then one closing it, does it? No, just needs that. It's ambiguous. Oh, good. Type of games night. Tonight, okay. I should be able to be there. I have some chores to do though, so I suppose we'll see. But oh, when peeps are free. Oh yeah. Tomorrow would be fine for me, I think. Yeah. I read the message and thought you were like doing one tonight. But yeah. Okay, so it's not that. I guess it does want a lock. Dot lock. Does it have to be dot lock? Oh my words, nope. Huh. DF dot lock. Oh, I think I've done it wrong. No, I haven't. It may have been this it was complaining about. It was. It was that I was complaining about. So do I need this lock? Is the big question. I don't. Okay. So does it? Yeah. Does it need? Okay. Now I've got to look up what that damn operator does. Yeah. It just needed the brackets. Okay. I'm just dumb. Now I've got to look up what the operator does because I don't remember. It's something like a bitwise and, I think. Prints that one. And tests whether both expressions are logically true or and performs bitwise and operation on the result of both statements. Oh, I see. So it kind of like hybrids them? Oh no. Oh, God's sake. I have to do some more, Welcome Anna as well to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Is that Hagrid Love? It is Hagrid Love. I love how that's rendering on the restream chat. Like, some of the more basic emotes don't render, but Hagrid Love does. That's kind of funny. Oh my goodness, okay. Logical operators. Yeah, bitwiser. Sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. Oh, so it literally does like a binary operation on it. So, okay. I'm going to try and wrap my head around this a bit better first. Before doing anything with it. So 8 and... Because I never like experimented with this. So 8 and 10 is apparently 9. It's 8. Alright. So I guess bin 8 and then bin 10. Oops, bin 10. 1 0 1 0. Oh, I see. So if you do like bin, can I do a clear? I don't think I can. No, I just gotta like do it manually. Oh, heart crown. Yeah, literally. Is of top importance indeed, very much so. It's got a bin, say 50, and then bin, I don't know, like 75. Is that a good example of it? No, that's a terrible example. Let's see what it comes up with though. 2. Yeah, because that's the only one that's on. That kind of makes sense. Homework, it's 7. All right, that's fine. Thanks for stopping by, Darker Mill. Do appreciate it. How you doing, Anna? By the way, haven't heard from you in a while. See, 50. I need like a good. Just like randomly. Okay, so 24. So bin, maybe like 26. Be the same. I kind of need one that just has like just a huge amount of random stuff in it. There we go, that works. And then bin like 171. There you go, that's perfect. 136 and then bin 136. Yeah, so this one is both on, and yeah, this one is both on, and all the others are turned off. Okay. So I now know how that works in Python. Unfortunately, I have no idea how that's doing anything here, but I'm going to aim for like 2 days. Big F. Yeah, I'm doing alright. I've actually been talking a lot I'm not sure if I told you about... imagine I have told you about like the my friend who has like an American cousin, and that she's been kind of hanging out in voice calls with us and stuff. I've met like a load of her other friends, and I've been talking to her a lot, to be honest. So yeah, it's been kind of cool. You have one what? Oh, the VIP icons. When did you give them out? A few hours ago. I should probably, because Anna's been quite active. I'm going to give her one as well. Is it the 1? Oh, you're on the account with the 1. Oh god, which account do I give it to? I guess I have to give it to both then, don't I? I suppose. Interesting. I guess I'll just give it to that one for now. I not noticed all this time. I don't know. You don't have Hagrid on the other one. That's extremely upsetting. Yeah, I'm just kind of giving in to them. I started doing it today because I thought, oh, I should probably start giving out VIP as soon as I have that. I only realised I had that like a few days ago. And I thought I thought I would give them out today to the most active streamers. You're here all the time, Auroras. But you haven't missed one in ages. Cider hasn't missed one in ages either. I'll probably be giving more out to people on Tuesday because more people would be here. Because I think Thursday is a slightly worse time for people. Either that or no one really expects me to stream on Thursday, so they just don't know I'm doing it right now. That's another alternative. I don't know. Either way, I think this video is now done. I have no idea how in the world I'm going to stretch this to 8 minutes. Actually, the explanation of the bitwise operator, I can. Or was it 100? I think it was 156, 171, wasn't it? I kind of want to remember that. It's 136, yeah. So I want to put in like a comment here. Show bitwise with, because I don't want to spend like, when I'm recording it, I don't want to spend like 20 years trying to remember which ones are the best ones to use. Oh, it's suspended. That's not what I want to do at all. I want to do exit. There you go. So that's that one done. So they can now mark this one as planned. We're making some good progress here. And now we're in normalization. Oh no. That's somewhat unfortunate. Write that out. Before we do that though, I'm gonna have a bit of a toilet break. So I'll be back in like a minute or two. See you on the other side. Yeah, it is, Anna. I Back. The sequel to I Came. I don't know where I was going with that. Yeah, Anna, I'm not sure if you were here, but I lost all of mine as well. I bet the farm, and it finally went a bit wrong. And I lost everything. Oh, that was, yeah. Yeah. Restream bot? What did the restream bot say? What did I miss? Did I miss anything? I don't think so. I just missed a lot of gambling, I think. Oh, I also missed Anjali. Welcome to the stream. Sorry about that. Yeah, I was away when you came. Don't know if you're still here. Oh, you were replying to the restream, but I see. Yeah, that interface doesn't appear properly on restream. That's the one I'm looking at, so big F. Yeah, welcome back, Cider. Sam, what are you currently... Are you reciting like the script or something? Yeah, it appears really weirdly. It just came up as like at restreambot at Carberra tutorials. Which is a big F. We're done with this, so we can close that. Now that we know to actually close it before opening a new one, then we can do 8 normalization.py. And no, we don't want .py, we need... No, we don't want to delete it either. Go away. Ipython. Oh my goodness. Hagrid the Bee movie. What? You need to send me that. Stop flying it out. It's not the most cursed thing. Okay. Actually, we can get rid of those D types. Oh yeah. I don't know why I ran all that again. That was really rather unnecessary. It's heckin' windy outside. What have I done? Oh, this is the wrong one. Ban Sam, yeah. Is adding some spice to the chat. It's fine. Yeah, see, the Omega lol doesn't render on Restream, but the Hagrid love does. What? It doesn't make any sense. This is going to be an interesting one to normalize. So if we do the df.describe again, because we need the df.describe to understand like why we need to do the thing. Cannot sleep. Oh, I can relate to that. I think the last... I think the last 3 or 4 nights I haven't gone to sleep before like 5 a.m. It's been like legitimately awful. I'm just sorting my bag of masks out because it's gone a bit haywire. I'm trying to climb out the basket they're stored in. Maybe. I do have BTT TV enabled. Unless I only enabled that for the gaming one, I really don't know. I don't have a clue. I don't really understand how Twitch works. I just know it kind of does. Somewhat. Yeah, I'm streaming twice a week now to try and get affiliate, so I suppose I better learn before I get affiliate. Yeah, that was me, Cider. It's just so rough. And then we need to normalize this. Like how much I enjoy coding. It's fun. It's fun when it's not absolutely awful. Yeah. I don't think I could ever have a sleeping pattern like yours, I know. Because if I sleep, say I stayed up all night, I did an all-nighter, and then I sleep for an hour in the middle, like at maybe like 1 or 2 p.m. That's it. I'm not going to sleep until 6 a.m. Genuinely, it just a 1 hour nap can literally throw my sleeping pattern out by like anything up to about 8 hours. It's really weird and it's very annoying. Sleeping stream. That'll get me banned on Twitch. You're not allowed to do that. Unless I think they might have actually changed the rules on that because some people have been doing it and not banned yet. Because there was like TOS where you're not allowed to sleep on stream. And I don't know if they got rid of that. Unless the people do sleeping streams do it on YouTube. I need to go into like another directory and I need to go into like one of my assignments for this. So that's the one with the bot. Okay, I don't want to shut that one down. So we can VD. Get out of there. I don't know. I never bothered looking it up. I just knew it was part of the TOS. I knew if you fell asleep on stream, you can get banned for I think it was I don't know for 7 or 14 days. But yeah, it was a temp ban. It wasn't like a Dr. Disrespect style ban. It was forever. So I need to go into data / it would be in programs / university / and then I don't know, to be machine learning assignment 2. And then yeah, I think it'd be in here somewhere. It'd be this one. Yeah, so it's this. We don't need this one though. Min-max scale is not. Oh, I need to import it. Oh, I need to install something. Pip install scikit learn. I think that's it. I love how that all got bleeped out. You can't sleep on stream now. Oh, but I changed this up this month. Okay. As unattended content. So it didn't allow it, but now it's okay. I see. Class code. My class code is being helpful right now. I mean, this kind of sucked. Well, it didn't suck, really. It was way better than the way they wanted us to do it, but you could do it whatever we wanted. So they could go screw themselves. And I haven't got the marks back, but if I get anything less than like 80%, I'm going to be a mega pissed, to say the least. Lava Link or FFmpeg. It depends what you want to do with it. If you're streaming music, then Lava Link is better. If you're downloading it, I believe you want FFmpeg. Or whatever that YTD one is, I don't remember. Let's just run all of them. And then we should... Oh no, it's done again. Float argument must be a string or a number, not a timestamp. Yeah, because the date wouldn't matter, would it? Would it? I don't know if... ETDI, that's the one. Normalizing dates. I guess we would want to... I guess when you were normalizing, you wouldn't want to have the dates, would you? Oh, you probably would have dates in there though. No, you wouldn't. You probably wouldn't. Okay, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do df.day. Just remove df.day completely. I just realized I named this add remove and columns. Good. I am good. Wait, did we actually do? Oh, we didn't do removing columns in here. Whoopsie daisies. So number 5 isn't actually planned. What a surprise. So we can get rid of this one now. Because I legitimately have no idea how to remove columns. Remove columns. Not drop. Okay. Axis not. Columns none. Index all columns to be dropped. Alternative to specifying a label. Okay, that's fine. Level from which the labels will be removed. Okay. In place. Okay. So it's just df.drop day. How? What? Oh yeah, because this one it creates a new one bizarrely. I don't know why. And then okay, that one's saved. Thank God. Okay, well apparently I was editing the wrong one. Df.drop day. Oh. Day not found in axis. Oh, I guess we want axis 1 then. To drop a column. No, we don't. We want axis 0. No, we don't. Day not found in axis. Okay. We're going to drop labels or drop columns. 1 or columns. Yeah, so it'd be axis 1, but it's not doing it. Oh. There we go. That makes sense. Oh god, why did I do... Oh no. Tell you what, I wanted to do that here, but I didn't want to do that there. I wanted to do it down here. If you wanted to drop, so I did... Yeah, we'll just do that, I suppose. df... Yeah, just print df.head, I suppose. There's some error. Day not found in axis. Do you mind? There you go. Oh yeah, I have Amazon Prime as well. I kind of forgot about that. Unfortunately, I don't think you could subscribe to me even if you wanted to. Because I don't remember if you need to be affiliate or partner to have subscribers. I genuinely don't. Alright, see you later, Sam. Thanks for dropping by. Yeah, so... Okay, so now we've talked about how to drop columns. That's fine. Now I just want to put that here. Yeah, because we don't want that one anymore. And then, yeah, okay, so it's all normalized now. Look at this. This is a pretty horrendous... actually, if I go to tail, that might be better. Actually, no, if I just print like the DF entirely, then I can get the top and the bottom aspects of it. I think it's affiliate for subs. I hope it is. If it's partner, I'm going to be upset. But yeah, the data is all normalized now, so as you can see, it's all between 0 and 1. A lot of it is 0, I guess. Actually, I suppose it'd be better, really, to use like carb 120 here rather than carb 2020. Yeah, then the normalization makes a bit more sense. That's kind of a bit more, yeah. There's a bit more to it. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the normalization one. So you take the values of df.values, then you get a min-max scaler, then you scale the values, then you create a new data frame using these values, and then you present the data frame. What I will do is I'll go. Oh, that's not what I do at all. Normalized df. Okay, we're making some pretty heavy progress here. And now so now we're actually at the end of like the Pygame. Not the Pygame, what am I on about? The Pandas section, where we teach people how to use pandas. The series is already planned to be longer than Pillow. That's amazing. And now we're going on to using matplotlib, and why you shouldn't. And then Seaborn. And it would be very blatantly obvious why you shouldn't use matplotlib to do graphing in just a second. And why you use Seaborn during all the streams. So we need to do matplotlib inline. We need to do import pandas as PD and as PD, and from matplotlib dot blah 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 pyplot. Oh, it's import. It's very windy outside. My goodness, I don't know if you can hear that. As PLT, and then that actually goes first. What does PR mean? Oh, this is planned and this is recorded. So as you can see, we've planned up to episode 8, but we haven't recorded any of them. When we're making, not really making anything. This is more like an episode by episode tutorial about how to do data analysis and stuff. So I suppose right now I'm making the plan for it. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go through my things. I'm going to see what data sets we still need. So we load the 2020 XLSX in here. To CSV. And what I'm going to do is I'm also going to do df.from CSV. /test. Oh, that was this one. Okay, that makes sense. And then df.head. I'll just shove that in there. So that's the 2020.xlsx. Then we have the 2020 XLSX again, which we probably don't want. We probably want the CSV one. Oh, that's a point. I need to pip install OpenPyXL, don't I? Pip install OpenPyXL. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a requirements.txt. Just so I can remember what I need to import or install. So I need to import Seaborn. Need to install pandas. I need to install OpenPyXL. I need to install scikit-learn. I need to install analytics. My goal. Okay, yeah, well, my goal is to make a plan for the video series. Pretty much. I'm gonna order these. I can like really artificially drag up the downloads for analytics. That's kind of funny. I kind of want to get analytics 1 out before I do this. I might do a stream where I don't really want to do a stream for analytics, because that is quite something. I might try and do that later today though. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O. Whoops. P. And then. Okay. Welcome, Lawrence DC to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So read CSV. So this should all still work. In theory, it does. That's fine then. So that uses the 2021 as well. This uses the minimal one, so we need to keep the minimal one. This uses the 2021. This also uses the 2021. I think most of them just use the 2021. Yes. Oh, this uses the 120. Okay. So we need the 2020, the 120, and the minimal. And then the rest can go away. I can just do it here, can't I? So rm-rf data slash carb an carb. Actually, I'm probably going to want the rev one later. Maybe. We'll see. I just kind of want to clear this up for now. Then carb 120. Oh, hang on. I might as well just see into data. rm-rf carb and carb. Yeah, I'll get rid of that one. Carb rev the carb 2019. I think that's all of them. Yeah. So we're recording while you stream. Also, maybe advertise your Discords. I don't really want to do like videos on stream. That's just not gonna go well. I think I tried that like right near the start of when I did streams, and I could tell instantly that setup wasn't gonna work for me. So I keep them separate. But yeah. Oops. Okay. So matplotlib. Yeah. Okay. And then we have to load them in. So I'm just gonna load it. Actually, not that one. We'll load them in like this, and we're gonna see. We're gonna do a box. Oh no, that's not good. Oh, crap! We've jammed one. That's not good at all. You may have destroyed the Venv again. God, you gotta be careful. Whoa. Okay, it's fine. My computer is really in a rush. Someone's already clipped it. I always just pronounce it matplotlib. But the clip of that exists already, so you don't need to make another one. So I guess the 2020, and then we'll make a box plot of some stuff. No, we use the 120, I think. The 120 is going to give us a far better graph. And then we get this. If I load this back up in code again. No, that's not. That's the wrong directory now. God darn it. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn. Programs, Carberra, plans, data analysis, VA code dot. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Don't save. I put code comma instead. I'm dumb. Oh, it just it's not gonna let me load it in a separate window. It's 3 a.m. Ouch. I'll see you later, Cider. Gosh darn it. Talking to a lot of Americans recently, and they're getting to me. I really need. Well, it's this one I want, so I guess I just throw this on this side and then just hope everything survives. Look at that! Ah, that's so awful. And then we need this. Do we need this box plot? No. Which was that? The box plot I did. Oh no. Okay. I guess it was. df2. This df2 had like a quarter in it. Oh no, it was. Okay, wind. You're fine. Actually, you know what I can get? I get monthly for the last 6 months. Yeah, that works. So get analytics. I need dimensions. I need month, and then they need to be like exact months. So we'll just get 6 there. We'll get YouTube analytics default metrics, and then yeah, that's fine. That should be okay. And then carb 6M. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rename this one 120D, so it's 120 days, and this one will be 6M. And then I guess I'll just leave these ones. No, I'll rename them. Carb 2020, and then we'll just have to go through and rename all the stuff in the different notebooks. Welcome Lord Gaming to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Python. We need to cd out of there. Python. Get analytics.py. Yep, that be me. Yep, I do have my phone. Why is it doing this again? It's doing this so much. I don't understand it. I don't understand why. This be the channel I want. Yes, it's my app, so I'm not gonna virus myself. That would be rather stupid, I feel. Oh, something's wrong. Does not align to the chosen date dimension. Well, yeah, it does, actually. Unless I need, like, 2021 1. Unless this is, like, just being dumb or something. Actually, I could do 2026, and then that, I think that will work. I guess we'll see. Using console authorization server authentication failed. Okay, fine. Because the YouTube thing is a pile of dog. Actually, I should probably take the code off the screen then, shouldn't I? Yeah, I should probably take the code off the screen. Oh, it does need that. God damn it. Just doing another one. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, that was fine. It didn't need a console at that time. Okay, and yeah, that was fine. So it needed the start of the month. Because, you know, naturally, of course it would. So we now have this 6-month data set here that contains just data for these 6 months. But, no, I always get confused. But it has the actual month, and it has them by month. And it also has... Are you serious? Okay. Well, this is actually 7 months. So what I need to do is I need to do 2020, 31, 12, 1. Yes. That's what I need to do. My god, why does this suck? And a console authentication failed again. I hate YouTube. I really do. It sucks. It's the worst. The API is so garbage. So naturally, with that information in mind, I would then opt to build a library that use it. And put myself through the pain of it. Yeah, that's fine. No, I just realised it needs to start at 7. Because, yeah, I am, oh god. And, It didn't need console authentication this time. Okay. I'm really lucky that the rate limits for the Analytics API are nowhere near as harsh as they are for the other API. Like, very lucky indeed. So now we have 6 months, the final half of 2020. This is a good kind of indication. It's better than the having 12 months, I think. So now we can do a box plot based on this. It's a carb 6 months. Okay. I really could have done the last 6 months, but whatever, I don't really care. So df, so this is month, and then this would be month as well now. And then that is a different format. And then that should load correctly. It does! Oh, would you look at that? How beautiful. And then we could do, well, in theory, we could just do a fig equals plt.figure. So I'm gonna do it the Seaborn way first, just to kind of like strike home the comparison of how awful this actually is. And then y equals views. Oops, and then a fig.show. Okay. And apparently that's just not having it. SNS is not defined. We never import Seaborn. Oh yeah, because I've never expected to. I'll do that in this cell here because we're going to trash this in whole cell in a second. So we end up with something that hasn't worked that well, apparently. You what? Okay, that's weird. I remember this happening before. What did I do to change that? No, I changed it to a date time column and it's done that, hasn't it? PF pd.toDateTime df month format equals year month. So that's worked, but it's also done it in a really stupid way. Oh, you know what it is? It's because it's being annoying. Oh, for God's sake. Well, okay then. What we're gonna do then is we're gonna like randomly do it. So month, I guess we'll just change it, equals df month. That'll be df month dot month. No, it'd be t dot month for t in. No. Why is that complaining? Oh, does it not do it in indexes? Oh, that's kind of unfortunate. And now we've got to work out how the hell to do this. Are allowed in the columns. Do you type in 64? Oh, because it's a date time column. Never mind. Apparently, we're just not allowed to do that. What? Oh, because we don't need this. just need this bit. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we can probably do month then. There we go. Okay, that makes things better. Let me do this now, and then unfortunately, unfortunately, it hasn't worked amazingly well. I think just the data is too split. Oh my god. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. It's fine. It's completely fine. I guess for the last quarter then. The last quarter will seem to be the same. To 3 months, I guess then. And then Python get analytics to Py. Okay, that works, thank God. Continue. Allow. And go back. Okay, so now we have our 3 months. I know it is because it's a single line. No, this 3 month thing isn't gonna work. We need okay, we need we need the 120 day one. So this 3 month and 6 month one can go away. I'm getting just really confused. What we need to do is we just need to like add a column ourselves. So we have day equals pdf.day and then you know, dash d, and then we need month equals, we need df dot insert 1. It needs to be called month, and it just needs to be this. Okay, that didn't work. There we go. So now that should give us some. There we go. That's actually kind of cool. So what we'll do, I guess we'll go in here. Welcome. I'm not even going to try and read that. I guess I'll call you 644 if that's all right. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, we're doing data stuff. We're getting to the exciting stuff. I just need to kind of work out what is best. So I can probably do 7 and then 1 and then and then 12 and then 31. So this will get the second half of the year, and then we actually do want the day, and then we want I guess it would be 6M. And then hope it's okay. It's not going to force us to use console verification. Awesome. If that was your name, are you the long lost brother / sister of Elon Musk's kid? Welcome Doge to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Yes, we now have a 6M, so we can now do 6M again. And then this should work now. And then we should, yeah, there we go. That's what I wanted. It's hex to ASCII. Oh, I see. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I'm not even going to try and work out what that, reconvert that one back. Okay. So this is what it would look like if we did it in Seaborn, and this is the code. This is happening in episode number 10. However, in episode number 9, we don't have the luxury of using Seaborn. This is not a thing we do. Also, we don't actually need a box and plot, because apparently everything is so like mixed into itself. Yeah, box plot's probably better. Something like that. The reasoning behind it is absolutely ridiculous. completely insane, the two of them. But so with matplotlib, we do give me GCSE flashbacks. Christ on a bike. Okay, how do I even do this? So it'd be plt.boxplot, I think, and then we have df month, and then is it df views? Is that all we need to do to get it to work? No, it's not. Okay. True value series is ambiguous. Are you sure? Oh no, you had to provide a list of them, don't you? This is X Archangel 12. Well, it's not, is it? It's pronounced XAI, I think, because they use the Ash, like AE is some like fairy pronunciation of AI or something ridiculous. But it is the Ash character. Unless they do pronounce it Arch, I have no idea. Or Ash, sorry. Yeah, so this hasn't worked. So I'm going to have to look this up. Matplotlib boxplot. Back over here, pyplot.boxplot. Okay. It's a notch. We don't need. Yeah, X array. Yeah, the input data. And then. Show capture box. Quick catch of where you are and what you're doing. We're literally just planning the video series. So we started here. So we've planned episodes 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're now currently planning number 9 for the video. And we did 3 and 4 a different day. But I think I actually like changed 3 and 4 as well to be a bit better. So yeah, we're just kind of working on what's going to be in the series at the moment. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Right, we're fine. Everything's fine. So, wind, do you mind? Jesus. So... so it's done. Is it the other way around, maybe? Nope. Okay, so what that is doing... Oh! Oh! Oh, no. Okay. So I think we do column for... No, it'd be... would it be like M for M in, and then V for V in? Is it that? Oh god, okay, hang on. V for V in this, and then don't need that one there apparently. No, I didn't change anything. So the month, yeah. So I need the. Wait, so, yeah. Oh god. Right, we're gonna start from the start again. So along the x-axis, we want the month. So df month. No, that didn't work. That put it along the y-axis. So we want this one to be views then, I think. Yeah. So this is what's going on the y-axis. So this takes all of the views. So I think what we want is df views, and then we want the views for that month. If oh my goodness. Welcome Diamond Roblox to the stream. I hope you're doing okay. Is this the first time I've seen this stream, or has it just been a little while? Either way, good to have you here. So, you see now why I use Seaborn, right? And not Matplotlib. Oh, but I want to do a video showing people why you shouldn't just use straight Matplotlib. Well, you missed the last stream. The last stream was like the most successful one I've ever had. So, and then the Patreon has apparently decided to just shoot up to the stars. I think the number of Patreons I've got has more than doubled this month alone. We're not even at the end of it yet. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, that's fair. Exams are rough. Df.views. Wait, df. Oh my god. Ah. This is like awful. So we need, we need the views for a specific month. So we need the df views, and we need that for a specific month. Df month equals m for m in range min df month max df month, I think. No. Almost 2k, yeah. Welcome Jax to the stream. Hope you are okay. Type of generator has no length. That's somewhat unfortunate. Oh my goodness. Okay. So df month, okay, and then 4m in range, min. It just tells us there. That's very annoying. Does Twitch even get the YouTube comments? Yeah, it does. It should do. The only reason it wouldn't is if the restream bot is broken, which it is most of the time. Random hash. Alright, I'll see you later, Horus. I'll see you later, Diamond, as well. Thanks for stopping by, even if it was short. Do appreciate you being here. So, oh my god. Equals m for m. Oh, we need this as a list. There we go. That is, it doesn't even do it properly. Oh, it needs. Yeah, like what? Okay, okay, we're gonna need NumPy then. I think. Import NumPy as NP. Actually, I do need to double check something with NumPy. Python import NumPy. Oh, import NumPy as NP. Sorry. As NP. NP.a range 7 to 12. Oh, you. All right. I need it to include the max. I know I can just do +1, but I want this to be a more universal thing. Because if you have a max, it might not be +1. It might be. Would it always be +1? So I suppose in this instance it would be, wouldn't it? Hmm. I guess it would, and it's got the labels wrong, so we're gonna have to change labels too. Which is a nightmare in itself. I think, yeah, this gives you automatic captions as well. We're gonna need to put those on it as well. You can see why you Seaborn now. I guess we will just do, you know, +1, not +2. My goodness, that's not good. Yeah, okay. No, TwitchBot should be working fine. It should be bugless now. God, that looks so awful. Oh my words. Oh yeah, I can't really do that. I suspended it. Oh well. It's fine. I'll probably need it again later anyway. So, yes, that plot's the box plot. Then you've got PLT dot set axis? Set x axis month. No. God damn. No, it'd be x label. Okay, no, this is just X label. But if it was fig, it would be set X label. No, it wouldn't. Would it just be X label again? No, it wouldn't. You just can't do that apparently. Oh God. Oh, because it has to be an axis, not a fig. PLT.Y label views. There we go. And then we've got to change the label, so I think it's like plt.xtix is df month. Nope. Set xtix. No, okay. Df. Okay, can I just do like a list? Actually, I think that's doing all of them, isn't it? That's not what I want to do. Oh no, because it is like 1 through 5, isn't it? And the x ticks are going 6. So this is what. So I've got to then shift that over, I think. Right? Oh my God, man. So this is why I use Seaborn. I keep saying it, I'll say it again. This is why I use it. This is why I'm using it in the series. So matplotlib set x to. I mean, honestly, we spent like an hour on one assignment just trying to, because I used Seaborn and like we didn't want it to seem as though we were cheating in it or anything. Because you never goddamn know if our lecture is. So we got his to work with matplotlib instead, and it was the most insane thing. It was unbelievable. Text equals none. Labels equals none. Oh. So I think we do labels equals ds month. Labels can't be set without setting ticks. Oh, God's sake. No, why? Okay, what I want to do is I want to, like, just get one of each. Python or Snek. If you're referring to what I call it Python. I've never called Python Snek. Though I wouldn't be surprised if there was like a version of Python that was called Snek. Locks labels because x ticks. Not 1, 2. Oh no, you do not 1, 2. No, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think. Nope. Was it does not match the tick labels, so I guess it'd be 5. Whoops. No. Why are you... Number of fixed locator locations, usually from a call to set ticks, does not match the number of tick labels. 184. Yeah, so we need to get a... It'd be set, wouldn't it? It'd be set. No, it's still wrong! Ah! Okay, there we go. My god. Alright, okay, so can I just do like range 1 len oh, I can't do len ticks and labels equals ticks. Then ticks plus 1 maybe? Okay. To be rendered before the plots. No. They just... It's just dumb. So in something... Seaborn, you can do it in 3 lines. You know, you can have your SNS box plot and it does all this for you. Matplotlib, you have to do all of this to get the same thing. And it's not even coloured. Look, it doesn't even have a colour to it. It's just dumb. It's just so dumb. It just looks awful. Welcome Yoshi Legend X to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So that is now, I believe that is now the same graph. Yeah, it is. Okay. See, yeah, Seaborn is significantly better than Matplotlib. Seaborn, although Seaborn sits on top of it. So it does use Matplotlib. Matplotlib is good at what it does. It just has a terrible interface. But if you use Seaborn, it provides essentially an alternative interface on top of Matplotlib. So it's like a wrapper, basically. It's sort of like, you know, if you use the Discord.py API as opposed to... Yeah, it's as if you were to use like the raw API with sockets rather than use Discord.py. Also, thank you for the follow, Thick E-Log. Good to see you, my dude. Yeah, Own3D is a bot. It's some random bot that someone just... It's from some sort of company, I think, but they just like randomly put it in my channel. But it's really useful because it shows me when people are followed. I really like it. Do you want me to call you Thicky Log, or do you mind me calling you by your real name? I always ask just in case. Mr. Beanbog. So yeah, now we have our 10 seaborn.ipy. Should come around. Okay, that's fair. Everyone, this is Brady. Brady's one of my American friends. Actually, should I have this as like a single episode? This like Matplotlib versus Seaborn. Thick E, of course. Yeah, the birth name is Thick E. Yeah, Brady's just a nickname. So I guess using, I guess what we'll do is we'll have episode 9 as Seaborn versus Matplotlib. Yeah, Matplotlib versus Seaborn, and then we'll show the two. There we go. I think that's probably a better episode rather than having like rather than having, you know, just this in a single episode, just on its own randomly. So in that case, this import needs to go up the top, like here, and we need to move this cell down. Yeah, God, this is genuinely disgusting. Yeah, okay. That works. And then we're going to close this, and then we'll leave that open for now. Rename. No, that's not the one I wanted to rename. I wanted to rename this one. Matplotlib versus... Yeah, he is very, very, very tall. Yeah, to an extent, yeah. Although Hagrid, of course, is still sexier. Welcome, Harmonic Engineer, to the stream, and thank you for the follow. You doing okay? I think I may know who you are, but I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say just in case I get it wrong. Oh yeah, Hagrid is... You may not like it, but Hagrid is what peak human physique looks like. Okay, it is the person I thought it was. Do you mind me calling you your real name, or do you want me to call you by the Twitch one? Go for it, okay. Everyone, this is Tori. She likes foxes quite a lot, so yeah, we get on pretty much really well automatically. Okay, so we've planned everything that we were going to, that we actually had down so far. Sounds like someone on it. Yeah, believe it or not. It's yeah, the whole fox loving thing is quite familiar. It was kind of funny. When we met for the first time, it was in a voice call, and she joined the voice call, and we both had the same profile picture, and it was really very confusing. Welcome, Groovy Ghosty, to the stream. Thanks for the follow. It's. I think everyone might be in a voice chat and it's just gone like, "Oh, Ethan's streaming. Let's go say hi." Do you mind if I call you real name, Groovy, or Twitch name? Yeah, we literally had the same. I think it was amazing. Thanks for the follow, by the way. Last time I played MKW, it was with Anna, actually. I don't mind. Alright, everyone, this is Emily. Yeah, the fox diving into the camera one. That was really funny. Yeah, apparently, so are you in a voice call right now? And just like, oh, Ethan's streaming, let's go say hi. That's fair. Yeah, we're just doing some planning for videos. We've got the first 9 down. So this is the 9 that I had to begin with. I had 10, but I combined these 2, and now I've got to just think of the rest of it. Really? Watch potting. Oh yeah, you've got to be bored if watching someone program when you're not a programmer yourself is your idea of entertainment, then you've got to be fairly bored. Oh yeah, Python Pog for sure. Python is the OG good language. Fight me. I don't know what she said anyway. Yeah, that's fair enough. you're kind of more into the programming thing. Yeah, you're just here for the chat and the immense gambling in the anarchy. Yeah, we have a bot, by the way. If you want to use it plus help, it will give you everything you need. Right, so I guess now at this point, go onto the Seaborn API and have a look at what there is there, and see which charts we actually want to cover. Because there's a lot of them. I mean, to be fair, a lot of the time in the streams, no one pays a huge amount of attention anyway, because they're either just kind of having a chat or betting massively. Yeah, the immense gambling is the bot. It's not real money, obviously. It's just more important than real money, so make sure you don't lose it. Oh, that's fair. Right. So I guess I don't know what this rel plot even does. I've only used I've used like most of them. I don't think I've ever used this rel plot. What is it? Oh well, it's like a Scala plot, I think. Turn relational plots into a facet grid. Oh, I see. So we don't need to cover that then. Scatter plot and line plot we do. So I guess we'll do relationals in one video because they're both kind of simple. So relational plots, line and scatter. We'll get that sweet SEO in there. And then I guess we'll go distribution plots, but we're not going to be able to do all of these because there's a good number of them. I'll probably have to do the rug plot maybe first. Maybe the his plot. This is a facet grid, so we don't need to talk about that. That's deprecated. So there's only 4 of them. We probably could go through all 4 actually. We could do. I don't know. When you're not a weeb and your chat has been taken over by weebs. So I guess we'll see how many of these we actually do in the same one. I kind of want to put the rug plot in. We'll have the rug. We'll do 2 at a time. Rug and we'll go with the hist plot. I don't know. We'll see. I think I'll start playing these before I actually go because I want to make sure which ones I'm doing. So relational plots .ipymb. Because I then got to grab data that's like good for it as well. Matplotlib inline. Yeah, go for it. I don't think they're removed automatically. I don't know. I need to set mods in the Twitch chat, to be honest. Do you want to be one, Jax? I don't want to like impose it on anyone, but it'd be good to have like a few. I might make a Aurora some mod as well. Because they're around quite a bit. Okay, it didn't remove it automatically. Or it did, and I don't know, because Restream doesn't delete them. Okay, kept. So mods is just Jackster with a 4. I mean, so long as you don't abuse it, Anna, then it'd be fine. You know, I'm gonna force that amount of power on you. There you go. I've now forced responsibility upon you. Yeah. When actually, can I might be able to do Aurorus now. Aurorus FN. I think it's that. All right. I hope I just haven't randomly given it to someone with a similar name. So it'd be Pandas as PD. Oh, hello. Nope. Come on, autocomplete. And then import Seaborn as SNS. And then I think that's all we need. Guess we'll see. And then we need to load our thing in. So we need to do... I guess we'll do this again. Just have the month and have the 6 months one. Yeah, the 4K 60 FPS one looks really, really good. It looks kind of bizarre because, like, I think, well, the old one was quite hazy and it was a bit blurry, and the new one just looks kind of weird because it's not. It just looks like kind of people just like waving their arms around randomly. It's kind of funny. It's like the 6M one. And then, so this is relational plots we're doing. So we want a line and a scatter. I'm going to quickly grab the APIs just to make sure I'm doing everything correctly. Oh, hello. Fig equals plt.plot, plt.figure, sorry. I don't know if Seaborn has like an alternative. No idea what is going on. We're doing graphs and stuff. Actually, this is probably one of the better ones to watch if you don't know what's going on, because you can look at the pretty graphs. Like, well, like this one, for example. Look at this graph. Look at this amazing graph. It's such a... I love Seaborn's box plots. They look so cool. I know, right? It's so pretty. It's so much prettier than the one that Matplotlib gives you. Like, look at this. This one's like just dull and boring and crap. No one likes that graph. Everyone likes that one. Well, it's a plot, not graph, but whatever. I call them graphs anyway. So we want we'll do a Scala plot first, and we'll have x, or we actually need data equals df. X equals, I guess, day, and then y equals views, and then it should just be fig.show, and then that should work. PLT is not defined. Oh, because I do actually need to import matplotlib. Import matplotlib.py plot as PLT, and then I'll just run them all. Screw it. There we go. Look at, whoa. I guess we could do like a hue. Whoopsies. I kind of do want to show off the hue bit of it. We could have like CMP greater than 0. I hope that works. Hue equals df CMP greater than 0. Nope. Because it has to be a column. Oh no, it just doesn't. Oh, it's CPM. That's somewhat useful, I guess. Should I add some blocked words? Can do. I haven't really thought about what words we need to block, because no one's really said anything bad in the chat yet. We haven't. I genuinely don't think we've had anyone say bad stuff. I don't know if we've had any bots or anything. I guess just add like the token really bad ones, like the C word and the N word. You just put the entire B movie script in the block word section. I like the word banana. What have you got against the word banana? Okay, I'm gonna have to go into the 120D one and oh, it's a 6M one in it, and have a look at like kind of what would make a good spread. Only you can prevent troll. So likes. Well, actually, the likes are pretty spread out. Oh, the dislikes actually that could work. Does have all the days where the dislikes were greater than 0. There's absolutely nothing you can draw from that, but it does kind of show the point of the hue off, which works. Welcome Alan Thomas to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I just realised I haven't even shilled once yet. Oh, there's no point. The vast majority of the people in chat are my friends already, so I don't think I really need to shill. It's a lot harder to extort people, or to it's a lot harder to extort your friends than just random strangers on the internet. Is something I've worked out. Not saying that I've ever tried. Anyway, fig equals plt.figure sns.line plot. And then we'll do fig.show. And then we need to do data equals df. I don't think it's worth having a hue here. Y equals views. And we have this line plot here, which does pretty much the same thing. You can store me, I don't mind. In that case, no, actually won't. I'm not affiliate on Twitch yet, so I can't ask you for money without telling you to do it on the super chat, which is kind of annoying because you can donate on the super chat, but then the bot is on Twitch, so it's like oh goodness. I still haven't set up. I still need to set up that Streamlabs dono thing actually. I don't know. I guess I should. I don't really expect anyone to. I never expect anyone to donate, but obviously, but you know, if someone ever wants to, then having the thing there would be good. But I'm just trying to think of the line plot. If there's anything, I kind of want to do a slightly different example for the line plot. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. So line plot is pretty much the same syntax. You still have the hue. So I guess we could put like hue equals df dislikes is greater than 0. And just have that there, but that's not really useful. Well, gee, this isn't really useful either, but it's fine. So okay. Having the line plot first probably makes more sense. Well, you can just plug your PayPal into the Streamlabs. Well, that's interesting. I thought it was like a separate account. Because I do have my PayPal. I never actually knew that. I thought it was like a Streamlabs account thing, like the YouTube account and the Patreon are both separate. And managing that is really annoying because I want both of them in like a specific account, but the YouTube money goes to my student account and I can't change it, and the Patreon money goes to my PayPal. You can't send it to a bank at all, but then you can't send the YouTube to the PayPal. So basically nothing. I have to just move everything every month. Well, I say every month. I don't reach the YouTube threshold every month. I reach it every 2 though. Yeah, it's a bit weird, but you know, that is literally first world problems. So, oh, my money's gone to the wrong place. I kind of want to see if there's any like other relations that I can kind of bring into a scatter plot. There's the estimated minutes watched. I don't really want to do like day versus views. If I did views down the bottom and then estimated minutes watched up here, what that look like? Oh, that's an interesting one. There's this weird curve here. Look, it kind of like curves around and then back up again. That's really strange. So it's weird, like period in the middle, so between like 900 and 1100, where the more views you get, you don't actually get any more watch time, and then it goes back up again. That's incredibly strange. I guess that works for our demonstration purposes, though. Yeah, I'd say that I'll make a video. So line and scatter, yeah, that's now planned. And then the distribution plots. The distribution plots kind of need the line plot anyway, or the rug plot specifically. Oh, the rug plot needs a scatter one, really. 11 distribution plots dot ipymb. And then we need all this same crap from before. And then we'll load that in. Whoops. And then we want the line. No, we'll leave the line plot for now. So fig dot. Oh, it'll be plt dot figure. And then sns dot rug plot. Data equals df, and then I think you could just do like x equals, oh y, sorry, equals views, and then plt.show, and it'll just show stuff. Yeah, oops. It'll just show stuff along the x or the y, sorry, here, which is useful if you've got a scatter plot. Data equals df, x equals day, y equals views, because you see exactly where everything is. And then if you set the alpha to say equal 0.1, 0.5, you can kind of go by the fade how like squashed everything is. So I just thought, why isn't a swarm plot in relational? Where is a swarm plot? Well, it's considered categorical. How strange. I would have thought it would have been... No, I would have thought it would have been a distribution, actually. I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. See, that's a rug plot. So we'll do a rug. That's pretty easy to do. And then we got a KD, ECDF, and then hist. I almost kind of want to do a separate video on histograms on their own, because it can get quite complicated. So I guess I'll do a rug plot, a density plot, and an ECDF. Imagine ECDF is going to be kind of an arse to explain itself, because it's a bit of a weird one. But it's fine. It's okay. We will survive. To KD, I guess we'll do KD next. Data equals df. We'll just say x equals day again, and then y equals views, and then we'll go from there. And then at plt.show. Okay, no, we don't want to do that. We want to do. We just want to do one axis. Oh my word! Hello. Okay, so there's got to be like a likes. That's actually kind of a good one. What about dislikes? I think. What about comments? Okay, that's just rubbish. Yeah, I think likes is actually kind of a good one to have here. You see there's like a little bump around for your likes. But yeah, this is the per day again. You probably could just do this per month, but I can't be asked. So yeah, as you can see, this kind of shows us that most days across the last 6 months, well, across the final 6 months of 2020, I got about 20 views a day. Oh, sorry, 20 likes a day. So it can be a good one to have. I can't put my name in the field, it will error. That's the thing. Yeah, that's not going to take a long time to explain. So that's the KD plot done. And then, actually, what other options do you have for the rug plot and stuff? Because I'm just going over the really basic stuff. I think the rug plot is like really, generally, yeah, the rug plot is quite simple to deal with. Having it on the total bill would be useful too. Oh, you can just do, we'll do an X and Y on this one, I think. Oh, no, we won't. Never mind. Because it's relational. Easy clap, yeah. Oh, you could do a hue on the rug as well. I forgot. So hue, we'll do a hue. Why not? Hue equals df dislikes greater than 0. And then yeah, you'll see you have this Scala Plot now, and then on the side, unfortunately it's like terribly placed. I don't know why that's gone there. SMS.legends. I don't know how to move the legend in Seaborn. That's theming. That's palette widgets. That's utility functions. Nice one. Despine. That's such a vicious sounding command. Move legends in. I guess we'll try Seaborn. I don't know if Seaborn is like a specific thing. Oh, it is it's PLG. It's PLT.legend we have got to use. Oh, whoops, it is. And then that goes lock equals bottom right. Oh, it's lower right. I did that for the wrong graph. There we go. Yeah, that's a bit better. I've done that in the wrong file, actually, is what I've done there. I need it here. I need it here. No handles or labels found to put in legend. Are you serious? That's annoying. It's because it's got multiple plots. Actually, the rug plot must have like a legend. I think the legend is legend equals true. Okay, that's not what we want. Do not add a legend for semantic values. But can we put Can we do g.legends? I don't know why I've done that. RP and rp.legends. Lock equals lower right. Is that a thing we can do? No handles or labels. But you have one here. You do. Stop lying to me. I want to move this damn legend. Why are you not letting me do it? Move legend. How long? I've got 15 minutes of the stream left. Outside the figure. Oh, that's interesting. Whoa, that was bright. So the rug plot, does the rug plot just not like return any handles for it? Because if I were to do like SP here, if I were to do, unless it's like it's just getting really confused. No, there's no handles there. Oh, it might be because I'm not doing fig equals. Did I do that for number 10? I did do it for number 10. Why did I forget to do it? Also, I need to close these down, otherwise it's gonna crash. So fig and then fig.show, and then we can probably do fig.legend then. No, it still puts the legend down. Do you mind? That just gets rid of it. Still puts the legend down, but it doesn't change it. Seaboard is no attribute legend. Why are you not doing it? I'll move the legend outside g.legend plt.show. Bbox to anchor number of columns 1. Wait, what did you change? Oh, center left. So that should work, but I guess with the rug plot not clear the seaborn hist plot. We'll try this. Well, that's the sort of stuff you can get with hist plot. You can do some cool stuff. Oh my god! I mean, you actually need the access. And annoyance and question labels. Oh my god, that's so funny. This guy actually, the Seaborn repository actually has a label called annoyance. That's hilarious. What does that even mean? What's the description of it specifically? I want to see the description of it. It should allow me to give the description, correct? No, it doesn't. Oh no, if I go to labels, it will. Oh, they didn't. They got rid of all the descriptions. That's annoying. I do love the annoyance label though. I might have to put that on all my on all the repos for the Carberra series. So if anyone makes some like stupid PR that they always do, I've got completely lost now. Then I could just put like called annoyance. That's so funny. So we need. The access. Does this guy have the access already? Oh, he has. Okay, it's looking as though we're going to need like a subplot here to do this. And then move the legend on the axis itself. Nope, that didn't work either. I'm going to give up. Because it's just, apparently it's just not letting me move it. I might come back to that one. I do want to get like at least the ECDF one like written before the stream ends in literally 10 minutes. Where's Firefox? Oh, it's here. I need this over here. So actually, we'll quickly look at the options for hist plot, for KDE plot. Oh my god, there's so many things you can do. Jesus. That's kind of cool. Well, we can change the smoothing. Hang on. BW equals... Oh, BW adjust equals 0.2. Oh, wow, that's kind of cool. So 0.5. Yeah, we'll leave that alone, I suppose. Cut equals 0. Whoa. I didn't actually change anything. Oh, yeah, look at that. I don't think that's doing. Oh, it's doing a tiny bit. Oh, you know what that's doing? That is cut equals like 60. Is that how you do it? Oh, hello. That's not what it's doing at all. -1. Does it have to be positive? It doesn't have to be positive. So -5. Oh yeah, we can. Okay, I don't actually understand how that's operating. That's like doing twice. That's so weird. -4, so it'll start at 2. How very odd. Interesting. So I guess I'll just leave that like that, I suppose, and then I'll just remember to talk about it all. And then yeah, that's fine. Hue, yeah, that's fine. And then yeah, that's shade. Multiple equals stack. Oh, I can't really do that. Multiple equals fill. Whoa. That is crazy. Cumulative. That's just an ECDF. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff with this. Like, my god. Like, you could really do a lot. Okay, we'll get rid of the cut for now. We'll bring the cut back just so I don't forget it. No, actually, we'll leave. Yeah, we'll leave that out, and then I'll make a comment for it. I might come back to No, we'll leave that for now. We'll get the actual ECDF one in at least, and then the next stream we do this, we'll experiment more with the density one, because the density one might need a video of its own as well. We'll have to see. But anyway, fig equals PLT. Oh, I didn't actually do a fig equals for this one either. I'm just completely forgetting. PLT dot figure, and then you've got SNS dot ECDF plot, and data, and I don't know if it takes 2. I'm guessing not. So X equals, that'd be Y, no, it'd be Y, yeah, Y equals views, I think. Whoops. Oh yeah, data equals DF, and then fig.show, and then we'll see. Yeah, that's it. So what this ECDF plot is actually doing is essentially, at any point on this line, so say at 0.2 here. So at this point here, we can say that we can go over here and say that, about 750 items, or like the average of 750 views, makes up, everything less than and including 750 views makes up 20% of the data. And if you go here, you go to 0.8, go across roughly, we could say, about anything equal to or less than 1,250 makes up 80% of the thing. It's a weird one to read. But and you can go over here, you can see, how much does 1,000 make up? So anything equal to or less than 1,000 makes up maybe about 38% of the data. So yeah, that's an ECDF, and then this doesn't have many options at all, actually. But the thing is, it has hue, same as anything else. That's pretty much it, honestly. Yeah, and then there's complementary, which is like the other way around. Actually, I think this is supposed to normally be X, like that. Yeah, the proportions are really supposed to go along the Y. We can do a count as well. So stat equals count. Count. And instead of having the proportion, it will have the the count of it. So in here, 1,000, we can go along here. It makes up about 60 of the samples. I guess I'll just leave that like that for now. We can say that, I don't know, we'll say relational plot, yeah, planned. We'll say that that's mostly planned. So that'd be rug, KD, we'll see, and ECDF. We'll definitely put ECDF in there. But I don't know if I want to put KD in there or not. We'll see how complicated the histogram is, and then we'll plan it from there. But I'm gonna end it here because we're coming up to 3 hours. I'm trying to keep streams at 3 hours now rather than go crazy on huge things. That makes me, instead of streaming for 5 hours in one time, I can stream for 6 hours across 2, and then that'll make it easier to get affiliate because it's this number of streams I'm off. So yeah, thank you for everyone that stopped by. There was quite a few people, not as much as there was on Tuesday, but Tuesday was the game dev one, so I'm not surprised that one did better. Yeah, well, I normally try and keep to 3 hours, but sometimes I have gone to like 5. And normally when I'm doing projects and stuff, I try and say, well, I'll stop at this time, and then I stop like 4 hours later. So it's somewhat of an ability. But I do kind of want to stop anyway. Anu Jax, yeah. Thank you to everyone that stopped by. Thank you especially to everyone that stayed the whole time. And I'll see some of you tomorrow for the next pillow video. Otherwise, I'll probably see you Thursday for next stream at 2 p.m. potentially, maybe 2:30. We'll have to see. But yeah, I will see you later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.